Good afternoon, everyone. I am Priyanka Rajput, Assistant Professor of SIRT Department. Today we will learn about the subjects of Power System 2. Code is the EX601. Today's our topic is deregulations. First, we know about what is a deregulation. Definition of deregulation. Deregulation is the restructuring of the rules and economy that government step to control and drive the electric service industry. Deregulation is the restructurings of previous rules and regulations. The simplest definition of deregulation is that it's a restructuring of rules and regulations which was made by previous government, previous statute. So it's known in the different name. It's, deregulations have a different meaning. Regulated market, open power market, competitive power market, vertical unbundled power systems, open access market, power system restructuring means privatization and reform. Nowadays, everyone knows about the privatizations. In most of fields, electric field, electric industries, railway industries, everyone. Privatizations is up there. Yeah. So deregulations means what? Restructuring, reforming, changes in rules and regulations of previous rules and regulations. It is called deregulations. It's also known as or also called other names deregulated, open power market, competitive market, vertical unbundled power systems, open access or privatizations. Now, why we need deregulations? Why we have required deregulations? It's required. Time to time, everyone is known. Time to time changes is required. That's why deregulations also required. Means if we occur deregulations means encourage the privatizations, increase the competitions in the market, increase efficiency of power generations. Means if we increase the competitions means all the generating stations increase our efficiency. Why? Because competition is there. That's why. Increase efficiency of transmission systems, increase efficiency of distribution system, as well as restructure Indian power networks. Public and private sector coordinators, each and everywhere, enhance its efficiency, its competitions. That's why we have required deregulations. Now, what is a setup of deregulation? So setup means what? In deregulation system, we change the vertical utility. Means in vertical utility we have seen generation, transmission, and distribution. But in deregulation system, our vertical utilities change. It's different from the vertical utility. Means uh, before deregulation, it's have single circuit. Firstly generate, then transmit, then distribute. But in after deregulation, it has changed and it's transmit our energy, distribute our energy in different way. You see here, government own transmissions company. It's depend on its transmission company from where he will collect our electricity. From first company, otherwise from second company, otherwise third company. It's depend on its transmission line, its transmission company. But whenever he want, from where he will collect our energy, from generator 1, generation 2 or generation 3. It's have choice. It's have choice from where I'm collecting my energy. And same conditions for the distributions company have. It's have choice, company 1, company 2, company 3. Means what? Whenever you go to market, you will see number of shops are there, available there. Means it's you have choice from where you will go, from which shop you will select. So same like that in deregulated system, electricity utility, electricity companies have choice from where he will collect the electricity, from where he will distribute our electricity. Customer is single, but customer have choice from where he will collect, from where he will purchase our electricity. So it is a deregulation setup. Means different number of generating stations, number of transmissions line. The transmission line is single. Number of generating companies, number of distributions companies, means customer have choice from where he will collect our electricity. So cause of this competition increase. If competition increase means efficiency increase, that's why deregulations have required. Now, main objectives of restructuring the power market. Its main object is that to provide electricity for all reasonable demand, to promote competitions in the generation and supply the electricity, to protect the interest of electricity customer in respect to price changes, continuity of supply, and the quality of service provided, to promote efficiency and economy on the part of agency and supplying and transmission electricity. So it is a main concept of the deregulation. Deregulation means what? In last we have conclude that deregulations means change in rules and regulations, restructuring in rules and regulations. Some changes is required cause of privatizations, cause of efficiency enhancement, and all. So it's a basic definitions and concept of deregulation system. Thank you. Thank you so much.